The ship has sailed, understanding missed opportunities. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very common English phrase, the ship has sailed. This expression is packed with meaning and is used frequently in both professional and casual conversations. Understanding it will not only enrich your English vocabulary but also help you grasp the nuances of expressing missed opportunities. So, let's set sail on this linguistic journey together. At its core, the ship has sailed is a metaphorical phrase used to indicate that an opportunity has passed or a chance has been missed, and it's too late to act on it now. Imagine a ship leaving the harbor. Once it's gone, you can't board it anymore. This image perfectly captures the essence of missed opportunities that this phrase conveys. To better understand how to use "the ship has sailed," let's look at some examples. 1. Career opportunities. If someone had a chance to apply for their dream job but waited too long, they might say, "I guess the ship has sailed on that opportunity." 2. Relationships. Reflecting on a chance to reconcile with a friend but not taking action, one might lament, "I wanted to apologize and make things right, but the ship has sailed." 3. Investments. Observing a missed investment opportunity, an investor might remark, "I should have invested in that startup last year, but now the ship has sailed." These examples show how the phrase can apply to various aspects of life, emphasizing the importance of timing and action. When using "the ship has sailed," it's important to remember it often carries a tone of regret or resignation. It's used to acknowledge that it's too late for a particular action or decision. You can use this phrase in both formal and informal settings, but considering its somewhat melancholic undertone, it's crucial to gauge the context and the listener's emotions. We hope this exploration into "the ship has sailed" has been enlightening. English is a language rich with expressions that capture the human experience, and understanding these phrases allows for deeper connections and more nuanced conversations. Remember, language learning is a journey filled with discovery at every turn. Happy learning, and until next time, keep exploring the depths of English. This phrase is a powerful tool in your English language arsenal, so feel free to use it when you want to express that a particular moment for action has definitively passed. Thanks for joining us, and we look forward to helping you navigate more English language nuances in the future.